The material girl is still living large. Madonna has purchased a swanky estate in Hidden Hills, California that formerly belonged to pop star The Weeknd for $19.3 million. The luxe property hits all the right notes for a global superstar. The Weeknd, aka Abel Tesfaye, purchased the 3-acre spread in 2017 for $18.2 million. Built for entertaining or hanging out at home, the 12,547 square foot estate offers a 7-bedroom main house and a 2-bedroom guest house. There's more than an array of light in the bright open interiors, which feature pocket doors that open out to the backyard. The Express Yourself singer will be able to get into the outdoor groove with amenities like the pool, spa, cabana, and a built-in barbecue. The residence is flanked by redwood trees, grassy lawns, and hillsides, creating total privacy, an A-list must-have. Madonna burst onto the scene in the 1980s with best-selling albums including Like a Virgin. Her latest album, Madam X, debuted at #1 on the US Billboard 200 in 2019.